Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Warpath on your Android device. Warpath is a thrilling strategy war game where you can build your army, conquer territories, and compete with players worldwide. So let's get started so that you can jump in straight to the action. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device, whether you are using mobile device or tablets. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the search bar at the top, type in Warpath and search. Now, in the search result, look for the Warpath 8 shooter and tap on the install button. Make sure that the game is developed by Lilith Games, and once you tap on install, the download process will begin. Make sure that your device has enough storage space before downloading. Ensure a stable internet connection for smooth downloading and gameplay. And also, don't forget to verify you are downloading the official game by checking the developer's name, which is Lilith Games. And within a few seconds or a minute, you'll be able to download the application on your device. Once the download is complete, tap on play and start playing your game. And get ready to command your army. That is how you easily download the Warpath game on your Android device in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.